Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's crochet together today. We're making the sweetest little charm. It's tiny and absolutely adorable, perfect for your keys or your bag. This pattern is beginner friendly, so let's start nice and gently. I'm using a 4-ply cotton blend yarn, light and cozy, with a 2.0mm hook. Alright, let's begin. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1. Place 10 single crochets into the ring. Pull it nice and snug. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Add 3 double crochets in this stitch. All right into the same spot. Now to half double crochets, still in that same stitch. Next, 2 single crochets. Right there in the same space. 3 half double crochets, all into one stitch again. Two half double crochets here, in the same stitch. 2 single crochets. Same spot. 2 half double crochets into that stitch. Three half double crochets right there together. Two single crochets. Two half double crochets, all in one stitch. Slip stitch to close. The body is finished. Now let's shape the ears. Don't cut your yarn yet. Move 1 stitch left of center. Slip stitch once. And slip stitch again. Chain 3. Place 2 double crochets here. Add 1 more double crochet, same stitch. Start 2 unfinished double crochets. Yarn over and draw through just 2 loops. Leave the last loops on your hook. 1 more unfinished double crochet. 3 loops on your hook now. Pull through all of them at once. Chain 1. Turn your work. Chain 2. Make 4 unfinished double crochets. Pull through 2 loops each time. Take it slow and steady. Just 2 loops at a time. Work right into this space. Pull through 2 loops again. 5 loops on your hook. Draw the yarn through gently to finish. Chain 1, fasten off. 1 ear is all done. Now let's make the second ear. Find the center stitch. Move 1 stitch to the right. Each ear uses 4 stitches. Place your hook right here. Pull up a loop. Chain 3. 2 double crochets right here. Add 1 double crochet. Two unfinished double crochets. Pull through 2 loops only. 1 more unfinished double crochet. Finish it by drawing through all 3 loops. Chain 1, turn chain 2. For unfinished double crochets, 2 loops each time. Five loops on your hook. Bring the yarn through in one smooth motion. Chain 1. Fasten off your yarn. Grab your yarn needle. Weave in all the loose ends. Trim any extra yarn. One body piece is complete. We're creating 2 matching pieces. Make the second one on your own. Now take your white yarn, magic ring for the whiskers. Chain 1, chain 3. You can start with a double crochet. Either way works perfectly. 10 double crochets in the ring. Pull tight, slip stitch to join. Close the round gently. Fasten off. Weave in the end. Tie a small knot to secure. Trim the excess yarn. Flip it over. Shape it into a little cup. Whiskers just like this. You'll need 4 of these altogether. Go ahead and repeat that 3 more times. Use 2 strands of yarn. We're making little eyebrows. Chain 1. Chain 4. Single crochet in second chain. Three single crochets in last stitch. Work right into the stitch. Now work the other side. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet increase. Slip stitch to close. Pull the yarn through. Fasten off, not at the back. Trim the extra yarn. Turn it to the front. Eyebrows just like this. Make 4 of these. We need 2 sides, so everything is double. Make the other 3 on your own. You're doing so well. Now let's put it all together. Glue the backs together. Leave the center unglued. We'll add a strap later. It'll be much easier this way, I promise. Glue on the eyebrows. Go ahead and place the little eyes. Attach the whiskers right underneath. Then pop the tiny nose in place. Now the other side. Do the exact same thing. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Add a little bit of blush. Blush the ears too. A little on the back. Right at the center. Make a small strap. Go through both layers. Pull up a loop. Start chaining. Make it any length you like. Fasten off. Stitch it down securely, so it's nice and strong. Add a keychain ring. And just like that, your sweet little puppy is finished. Isn't it just adorable? Both sides match up beautifully. You can make this in any color you love. This white one is so pretty, soft and cozy. Give it a gentle try. I'm so proud of you.